Okay, pa. And next we shall solve another problem. See here, starting at 5 a.m. every hour there is a flight from San Francisco Airport to Los Angeles International Airport. Suppose that none of the plane is completely sold out and they have always room for passengers, and a person who wants to fly to Los Angeles arrives at the airport at a random time between 8:45 and 9:45 a.m. Find the probability that that passenger has to wait at most 10 minutes, and the second question at least 15 minutes. Flights fly every hour, so that every hour is nothing but uniform timing. Therefore, that hour can be manipulated to minutes, that is 60 minutes. Therefore, the given interval is 0 to 60 minutes. As usual, let us consider a random variable follows uniform distribution with the parameter a comma b. Here a equal to 0 and b equal to 60. Substitute these two limit points in the PDF formula. Then f of x equal to 1 divided by upper limit minus lower limit, that is 1 divided by 60 minus 0. Therefore, f of x we can get that equals 1 divided by 60. Next, you see here we have to find out probability of the waiting time at most 10 minutes. This is possible only the passenger arrives at the airport between the timing 8:15 to 8:05 to 8:15. Sorry, 8:05 to 8:15. This is one possibility, and another possibility is 8:35 to 8:45. So, if the passenger enters the airport between these two time cases, between these two time intervals, then only the passenger has to wait at most 10 minutes. But now these 5, 15 are lower and upper limits. Substitute these lower and upper limits in the formula, PDF formula. So integral 5 to 15, 1 divided by 60 into dx, integral 35 minutes to 45 minutes, 1 divided by 60 into dx, and take 1 divided by 60 from those two integrations and integrate those two integral factors. Therefore, we can get 1 divided by 60 into x limiting case 5 to 15 plus 1 divided by 60 into x limiting case 35 to 45. So, solving this algebraically, we can get 1 divided by 3. Therefore, the passengers at most waiting time about 10 minutes is 1 divided by 30. I mean, probability of waiting time at most 10 minutes is 1 divided by 3. Sorry, not 1 divided by 30, 1 divided by 3. Next, our second question is the passenger has to wait at least 15 minutes. So, he has to wait at least 15 minutes in the airport only if he approaches, I mean enters the airport between two possible time cases. First possibility is 8:15 to 8:30. Here this 15 is nothing but 15 minutes based on our timing 8 o'clock. So 8:15 to 8:15 to 8:30. And next one 8:45 to 8:60. So this is these are all two possibilities where the passenger has to wait at least 15 minutes. So substitute as usual this limiting case in the integration. Therefore, integral 15 to 30, 1 divided by 60 into dx, plus integral 45 to 60, 1 divided by 60 into dx. Take 1 divided by 60 outside from these two integrations and integrate the remaining term. Then we can get 1 divided by 60 into this 1 divided by 60 into x, where limiting case 15 to 30, and same 1 divided by 60 into x limiting case 45 to 60, and solving these two factors algebraically, we can get 1 divided by 2. Therefore, the probability of the passenger has to wait at least 15 minutes to catch next flight is 1 divided by 2. That's all. So these are all important problems. These problems are enough, more than enough to study well about uniform distribution. Thank you.